Hi! In this video, I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine as requested by my cousin Audrey, so let's get started. So first and foremost, I will be putting eyelid primer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow will stay nicely and it'll look nice. This is Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer. So after the lid primer is done, I will be using eyeshadow with this iconic palette. And here are all the colors. It's really nice because they have some natural colors and some fun colors too. I tend to use the fun colors because they're fun. And that's what I'll be doing today. So to start off, I'll be using this big brush to put the base on my eyelids. And the base will be Marshmallow right here. So now you can see I have that light color all over my eyelids and it's just a good base for the rest of the eyeshadow, so that's why I do it. So now I'll be using the Pink Wonderland right here and I'll be putting that on the middle of my eyelids. So for the crease, I'm gonna make it a pretty soft crease today, but it might look a little harsh at first. I'll be using Girl Boss and I might blend it with another darker color if it doesn't show up super dark. I usually use Merlot Mondays to blend these two. Sounds like a weird blend, but it oddly works. I know it doesn't look right now, but the power of blending is real and it does work. So first I used a crease brush like this. It's kind of like flat, right? But I will be going in with a blending brush and that really does wonders. This is my blending brush. So as you can see, it's kind of like circular, more round. And that's what I'll be using to blend the two colors together. So as you can see, I just do like little circular motions just to blend. And for my eye shape specifically, my eyes kind of curve up like this. So I kind of try to follow where my eyes go. And I kind of try to connect this to my eyebrow. That's kind of the angle that I think works best. So that is what I normally do. And now I'll be moving on to mascara, which is probably my favorite part of makeup. I just love how it looks afterwards. And to do that, I will be using the Tarte Opening Act Lash Primer. This works wonders. It makes my eyelashes look so much thicker and nicer, just more volume, and I really enjoy using it. So when I put it on, I put only one eye on at a time because you really have to put it on and then put the mascara on right away, or else this kind of dries and then your mascara will look all clumpy, which you really don't want. And the mascara I'll be using is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. I love the bottle, so cute. And it's very big, the applicator, and it makes my eyelashes look like so much volume, so cute. Okay, so now my first eye is done and look at the difference, dude. Like my eyes just look like they look like bigger and I love how it looks. And as you can see, I also like putting a lot of mascara on my bottom lashes and I add more later after I do my concealer because sometimes it messes it up. So I really like this look. It kind of looks like a doll look, especially with the other makeup I'll be doing. So I just like that look for me. And now on to the other eye.
Editing, Sophie here. What exactly was I pointing at? That was not my other eye. In fact, that is my hair. I don't even know. Okay, on with the video.
And wow, oh my god, my other eye is done too. How did that happen? Well, it's magic and a magician never reveals their secrets, and I guess you guys just won't get to know. And with the eyes finished, I will now be moving on to my regular makeup. So first I will be using primer. Here it is. And this is the NYX Bear With Me primer. I really like this primer. It has a glow to it. You guys will see that when I put it on my hand. I'm running out. So it's I got it. Kind of got a lot on my hand, but as you guys can see, has some shimmer to it. It's really cute. And I'll be putting that on my whole face. Also, I did put lotion on beforehand, so don't come at me in the comments for that. And now I will be doing concealer. So first I have the L'Oreal True Match concealer. I get this at Target, and I've used this for a very long time. I really like it, and I use this beauty blender that I got from Ulta. Okay, just concealed my entire face, and now I'll actually blend it all so it doesn't look so weird. So as you can see, when I do my concealer so that it maintains that shape in my eyeshadow, I blend in the direction of my eyebrow. Like I said earlier, just make that line when I'm doing my concealer, and that's a big reason why I do my eyeshadow first. And now for foundation, I will be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay, cute little packaging, and if you're curious what my color is, it is Fair Light Neutral. And now that my foundation is done, I will be using the L'Oreal True Match powder. This is the same brand as the concealer. If you are interested, you can totally get this at Target. So that's what I'll be using for my powder. And now is my other favorite part of makeup, which is blush. I use this Benefit blush bar. I think it's super cute. I got it because it has ballerinas on it, and it's just so pretty. And so the color I really like to use right now is California. Now I kind of more like the look where blush is on the apples of the cheeks and my nose and over here. So it kind of just all blends together, all in this general area. So that's what I'll be doing. And look at that. That's like so much pigment that shows up already when I didn't even do that much yet. Okay, right now I know it kind of just looks like I'm sunburnt, but I promise it looks a little better once I put the highlight on my nose and on my cheeks. The highlighter I'll be using today is Benefit. I just got it recently and I love it. It is called Tickle, and it's this really, really pretty pink color. So as I'm turning around, you can see the pink, but it also glows like gold, so it's just so pretty. I like putting highlighter kind of like this shape along this side of my face, both sides, and on my nose, my chin, above my lip, and in the corners of my eyes, and under my eyebrows. Can you tell I love highlighter? And it seemed to go by so quick, but now we're on to the last step, which is lips. And first I have to use this CeraVe, or sometimes I use Aquaphor also, because my lips are very dry and cracked, so I have to put this on first. And even if your lips aren't super dry or cracked, it just helps them look very moisturized when you do put your lipstick or lip gloss, whatever you decide to put on. And now here I have a little display with all of my different lip products, and then I sit here for 15 minutes and figure out which lip product I'm going to use.
24 hours later.
I have finally picked out what lip I'm going to use, and here I am using NYX lip liner. If you don't use NYX lip products, I definitely recommend them. They have some great lip products. If you don't use anything else from that brand, use the lip products. For the lipstick, this is actually like a little sample, but I really love using it. The brand is called Bite, and it's a little lipstick right here. It's a very neutral color. I really like it, and it goes on very smoothly, so I like that too. So I could leave it like this, but I like to add a little extra sparkle. Surprise, surprise. And I have this beautiful Revlon lip gloss. I don't even know if you can find this anymore. I've had it for a long time, but I use it all the time. I don't know how it hasn't run out. I think it's just magic or something. It's very shimmery, and I just think it's so pretty. And here is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing me do my everyday makeup look. Thank you to Audrey for requesting this video, because if it weren't for you, I probably would have done it. So thank you. and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that was my everyday makeup routine. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite part of makeup is or what you'd like to see from me next. Also, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!